Arr! I still be failing to understand why we be sitting in a soggy garden drinking leaf water when we should be plundering a tea shop.
Greybeard, tea parties is what Tiggers do best. Well, Tiggers show everything the best. Have you ever tried drinking tea while bouncing?
I hate tea. And gardens. And damp weather. And I despise whatever that is.
Oh, I'm a snowman. I love warm, wet spring days. I get to experience a whole new level of self-discovery. Oh, there goes my elbow.
Now see, this is the problem with English gardens. Everything is either overgrown, underpruned, or entirely too symmetrical. And do you know what symmetry is? It's a lie. It's all chaos, but we pretend it's controlled, just like life, which is also...
Oh, that tickled.
I don't trust this brew. Too many years at sea tell me that if a drink ain't making you see human-sized rabbits, it ain't worth drinking.
Maybe you need more sugar, or you could try drinking it upside down. That's the Tigger way.
Tastes like sadness.
What we really need is a chaotic wildflower tea infusion. Do you even know what's in your tea? Well, do you? We should all be foraging for our own existentially significant beverages. Here, try this mysterious leaf I just pulled from the dirt.
Oh, I love mysterious things. That's tingly.
Aye, that be poison ivy, lad.
Oh, that explains the tingling. Ooh, I think I'm having an existential crisis, but it's fun.
This is the worst tea party ever. Arr, let me fix that laddie for you with some rum. Oh, yes, here you go.
Wait, have you ever considered the botanical history of rum? Did you know it's basically just chaotic plant juice?
Ooh, I love the chaotic plant juice. Oh, me too. Can I put it in my tea?
Arr, I like your spirit, snowman. But mark my words, ye drink this and ye might be melting into the sea. Ha ha ha.
Worth it.
Best tea party ever.